Yes, so Manchester United 0, Aston Villa 1. We get one very ogbongelistic Manchester United fans, Oga TJ. Make you come tell us about how he see the game. Oga TJ, in all competitions now, Champions League, Carabao Cup, and Premier League. This one are three back-to-back loss where Manchester United lost. Oga TJ, how you see Man United performance against Aston Villa today?
Well, we not to do bad today. They try their efforts day, but I get that feeling. Say the players, my own opinion. Say the players they don't tire for to play for this coach. Although they do their
Okay.
best to win this match today, but Aston Villa not be small side presently now.
Mm.
Goal scoring team now we play today. They do their best.
So, but what do you think about this Manchester United defense, Oga TJ? Because the Manchester United defense, now defense we can be like say normally the defense strong on paper. Rafael Varane, Champions League winner, World Cup winner. You understand? Long many plenty things. League titles plenty when they win for Spain. Come join Harry Maguire. Harry Maguire will be captain, captain of England team. Okay, no, second captain of England team, captain of Manchester United, Luke Shaw, senior player for Man U, senior player for inside our England team, and Aaron Wan-Bissaka will be like say, when it comes to 1v1, now one of the best defenders for inside the league. But what do you think say they happen for this Man U defense, where this Man U defense can they concede goals like this?
For the defense, they just need little time. I know
Mm,
the life of Varane when you say we bring in an experienced player, but a
yes.
different league, different culture, different partner presently. So I felt now you just need more time for the defense
Okay.
to blend, to understand themselves better. But so
Yes.
far so good. The defense they're not to do bad today, aside from Luke
Mm,
Shaw when they struggle. Luke Shaw when they struggle, then our goalkeeper too when
okay.
he gets little, but he still try along the line. But I just felt we need more time for the defense.
Okay, so you believe that defense need more time, make them feel understand each other more, make them feel blend well, and play better than what they play currently now. But I got TJ. I want to ask you again. You get the incident where happened for inside the game, the 9 minutes of the game, that penalty where Manchester United get. When you say before Cristiano Ronaldo come, now Bruno Fernandez be the Man U penalty taker, and as Cristiano Ronaldo come now. So you as a Man U fan, you think say Bruno supposed to leave that penalty for Ronaldo? How you see that penalty thing? How you see him?
Uh, Bruno taking the penalty, not be bad one because Bruno do well for the game normally before that even
Mm.
penalty incident. And like you say, before Ronaldo come now, Bruno they take our penalty. So I felt they should make it be like Bruno and Ronaldo or the coach get better understanding between their two because it looks although Ronaldo yes a big player and a world best, one of
Yes.
the world best and a player who they look up to. But mind is that Bruno now
Mm.
person when does he help the team for the past last season. So now I get the highest goal if I'm not
Mm.
mistaken. He don't help the team. So just taking the penalty position from her like that, I felt it not too good. But Ronaldo he should be a better position to the take penalty for Mayu. But may they get that understanding. Say, okay, Bruno, senior man don't come. I bet yours a leave him for him. Make it a play. Maybe after this miss when he do so, they will look into him
Mm.
because if no partiality, I believe Boba miss. I think Mourinho time, oh yeah, Mourinho time also. Boba miss penalty or something. He missed like two penalty. They come out for Boba give Rashford and the rest. So I believe this incident they're supposed to look into the penalty taker. Ronaldo and the record where Bruno don't get not be bad one. I think for the whole 23 penalty, I be 24 penalty when he don't take. Now only two he don't miss. So not be really bad one. And he face better goalkeeper, so
Yes.
maybe that tension and the rest. So may they look
Mm.
into it and may they give C7 a beg. May they give him.
All right now, make we see how that penalty matter go to go for the next Man U games. Whether if they get now Ororo CR7 go play him or na Bruno Fernandez go play him. But I got TJ. I want to ask you. You be Man United fan. I know say you get big passion for this club. a club where you love, club where they after your heart normally. I want to ask you, Oga TJ, 3 straight loss in all competition for Manchester United manager Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. And now wait till you get to talk about this one. You believe say now Ole Gunnar Solskjaer still be the right man for the work, or make the show him the backyard door? How you see this matter? 3 straight loss for all competition like that. Manchester United, big team. How you see him?
Well, Ole is not the right manager first and foremost, because you look at the calibers of player when Man U get presently. I believe if we get good, better coach ahead of Ole, he could do better. Imagine our first loss of the season come from young boys when nobody predict. Even if they say put 5 naira or put 100 naira, say young boy will swim Man U. Nobody will like one who waste money. Along the line, we lose. We only England team when lose for first leg of Champions League, and we can't lose to West Ham. Yes, we know say na Carling Cup or something, but you know go use those ones to count, because the calibers of players when you use against West Ham, now players when we say at least something supposed to come aside from that match.
Come out from that game. Yes.
Well, we lose 1-0 flat. You know they play. They can't go lose to Aston Villa today. You know, Aston Villa, yes, don't be small side, but compared to a club like Man U, we're not supposed to lose. At least even if now 2-1 we lose, or 3-2, now something we know say we score goal. We play West Ham, we not score. We play Aston Villa now, we not score. So I don't know. I don't know what thing they tell the players. Life of Greenwood today, you know, get some chances when it's supposed to release, but you just get the ball. As you just turn, you don't shoot. As you just turn, you don't shoot. I don't know whether now what thing they tell them, say, if you just get opportunity when you near the 18, shoot. I know they get. Because this man, when I watch, so now, we need coach, not being be the right man. In just 10% self you not get presently, because they don't give you players. I believe the list of the list when you give the ball, they give you, they provide them for you.
So, no excuse now.
Yeah, no excuse.
Okay, now Oga TJ, I will not waste too much time. I'm going to enter inside the player rating for the Manchester United players we played the match against Aston Villa. So make we start with David De Gea. On a scale of 1 to 10, Oga TJ, now what do you go rate David De Gea?
6.
Okay. What about Aaron Wan-Bissaka?
7.
Rafael Varane. Okay. What about
Varane? 7 too.
Harry Maguire.
7. Yeah, 7. Impress.
Luke Shaw.
4. He looks tired. He looks exhausted. I don't know what I put around today.
Okay. What about Scott McTominay?
Scott 4.
Fred Unko?
6.
Mason Greenwood
with chances when he lose. Okay, more give him 7. He's still impressed. You know, be bad side.
Okay, Bruno Fernandes.
4.
Paul Pogba.
Side. Okay, more give him 6.
6. Okay. Cristiano Ronaldo.
More give him 5.
Okay. Then what about the substitute? Diego Dalot, Lindelof, and Edison Cavani. Now what do you go read them?
Cavani, I'll give Cavani 6. I'll give Cavani 7. Give Lindelof 5. Diego Dalot 4.
You give Dalot 4. Okay, now Oga TJ. Before I go let you go now, Manchester United next game now for Champions League. Now what do you they expect now? Because for big team went big like Man U now, don't lose 3 straight games for all competition. Going into the next game now for Champions League. Now what do you they expect? Which kind of response, which kind of reaction do they expect for Manchester United team?
Would they play Villarreal, right? I'm not here. Would they play Villarreal before Everton? Villarreal not be still easy side, and you know the Spanish side they good of playing the English team. But what we see with this disappointment when they give the full fans for the full house today, whether they go feel bounce back to just cheer up the fans and encourage the fans. Say okay, they still did the board and the red, but without no saying, and all, I still prefer, like, I know it is very bad as a Man U fans how they talking about. I still
Yes.
prefer to not just really get that better result from that Champions League, so that the coach go. I felt did that tight corner when coach did not did the tight corner.
The
It's
season
just
they
to be
under pressure.
confident. Yeah, make it day more
Balance,
pressure. But we need that match to qualify come up for that group. So man still give on to man. You say, may they just give something to the fans. No, just man, our body they sweet us. No see again. Corey say, man, you still day. I reach out the see. So we hope we win Villarreal.
Okay, now not be like Oga TJ. We hope say Manchester United go make you and all the Ogbongelistic Man U fans them smile come that match against Villarreal for inside midweek for UEFA Champions League. Make you enjoy the rest of your weekend, Oga TJ. Thank you as you can give us your time for this interview. You too much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.